Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily delete or cancel a saved message in the Snapchat app. Friends, please subscribe to the channel, make sure to put your likes, and also don't forget to write comments after watching the video. So, let's go ahead and get started. And open up the Snapchat app. Next, in the app, go to the Chats section. After that, select the person you've been chatting with. And here, as you can see, I already have a message sent. And first of all, in order to save it, you need to tap and hold on it. And you'll see a little menu like this. From it, select Save to Chat. And as you can see, this message was immediately grayed out, which means that it was saved. And if, on the other hand, you want to unsave a message in the chat room, then also click on it and select the Cancel Save Chat option. As you can see, instantly the message will no longer be a saved message and will become a regular message. Friends, this is the way, quick and very simple. You will be able to delete or you will be able to cancel the saved message in Snapchat. I really hope you found this video helpful and also that it was useful to you. Please write comments, put your likes, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.